Okay, good luck on your practice, okay, bitte? Your mom will come get you.
All right, this is Owen and Finn. Leading our start gate, Emily is in blue and Griffin is in red. That was Owen coming in with the time of 7:8:09. 7:8:09. All right, here comes Finn down the course. All right, buddy.
Finn, yay.
And in first place, sponsored by the Pocahontas County Visitors Bureau, we have Christy O'Shea.
Christy! Come on! All right, yeah.
You guys are so totally cute. Look at you. Oh, yuck. All right. All good.
Hey! Look, look! Black truck. If anything I know, it's a black truck. That means that.
Hey, do not get on Mac. Lars is coming on the 20. His 21st. Som ni pa katna ni to local don.
7:25 is going to drop next. Dominic Cora out of Glastonbury, Connecticut, part of the Massachusetts series. The Elder statesman in the mini division at 11 years old. And they're tearing this lodge down.
Yeah, Lars.
I had a dream that we walked hand in hand in the summer sun. You were eating a popsicle and we were having so much fun. We made out under the stars. You told me I'm the only one. So why don't you love me in real life? Every night in my sweetest dreams I get to hold you in my arms. I tried to get some in real life, honey, but just set off your burglar alarm. Why are you calling the cops, baby? I don't mean you any harm. Why don't you love me in real life? Why don't you love me? Why don't you love me in real life? Why don't you love me? Why don't you love me in real life? Is it because of my mask or just because I'm brandishing a knife? Why don't you love me in real life? Every night in my sweetest dreams I get to hold you in my arms. I try to get some in real life, honey, but just set off your